I'm here in Siam Paragon. So what is unique about this place? No? So dating namin, you have a lot of mga young generation. I think they're waiting for a movie star. No? Ito ka. Ito siya. Yan sila. Kadami nila. You have also here, people here. And you have also people here waiting for yung movie star. Kala ko nga ako yung hinahanap eh. Ito, haba. Look at them, no? Yung kanina pa to eh, no? This guy. Oh. This one, the younger generation, no? Artista ata to eh. Ano, hindi ko na tinanong. At ang haba-haba ng pila nila kanina, no? They were screaming. Sino itong mga ayan, here. Dito sila here. And andyan yung location ng hinahanap nila, pinalokohan nila na artista. So we're in Siam Paragon. Ito yung biggest na shopping center in Bangkok daw. Hanap namin, marami kaming inikot dito. Nauwi din pala. We bought items here in Uniqlo. Yan, that is the area na maraming mga naloloko na mga Thai. Okay, going down.